GIWBobby. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. I am more popular on the channel and you are on Getting From Bobby. So today I will be informing you, like you all know, that this is a channel for you to be informed. So I will be talking about a word called procrastination. Yes, I mean procrastination. A lot of people might be aware of what is called procrastination, but before I go on, you can come and join me. Yeah, join me. So before I go on, I will be talking. I would like you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share. So let's get started. Like I said, I will be talking about a word called procrastination. You might be aware of a word called procrastination. Procrastination is the opposite of procrastination. Hence, procrastination means the urge of getting things done faster or earlier than expected. You might be wondering, why is that a problem? We all want to get things done as soon as possible. But why is that a problem? That is the question that you might ask me. However, I will talk about everything here on this channel. I hope you enjoy. Get along with me. So, like I said, procrastination is the urge of getting things done earlier than expected. What are the pros and cons of procrastination? Meanwhile, a person who has the urge of getting things done is called a procrastinator. A procrastinator. So, what are the pros and cons of procrastination? The good and bad of procrastination. The good of procrastination is have time to relax. You know, when you get your job done as soon as possible, faster, then you have time to relax yourself, have time to play around. Then you get job done easier. So those are the advantages of being a procrastinator. And what are the disadvantages of being a procrastinator? Like I said in my question earlier on, that why do you think a procrastinator has an issue? Or is there anything bad being a procrastinator? Yes, there might be. Whatever has an advantage surely has a disadvantage. So what are the disadvantages of being a procrastinator? Number one is that you don't have enough time to think through. There are some time you have to think some things through before you get things done. You just get things done. You just want to get those things done as soon as possible. Instead of you to sit down, relax, think, how am I going to go through this thing? How am I going to achieve this thing to get a better result? So procrastinators don't usually think things through enough to to achieve success. Also, there might still be some other things you need. There might be some instructions you need that might not be available at the time you've started off your work. And so when the instruction later comes, you already done with what you are already done with your job. So it makes you go back to revisit what you've done, and it's still making you have an elongated period of time to get your work done. So that is another disadvantage of being a procrastinator. Also, another disadvantage of being a procrastinator is that you might quarrel others when it comes to teamwork. You tend to quarrel others, to have clash with others, especially those who delay to make decisions. So you just have to quarrel, you have clash, and they term you as somebody who quarrel or clash a lot, and that is not an attribute of a good teamwork player. So be mindful. Also, another disadvantage of being a procrastinator is that the time you would have used to rest, to think things through, and also relax at the end of the day might not be achieved because of the information you lack as at the time you started off the work or the job. So it does not allow you tend to be stressed up as at the end of the day when the information later comes. It makes you to do a job like twice. So those are the disadvantages of being a procrastinator. Meanwhile, I am not saying that you should not get things done as soon as possible because it makes you look responsible and people can count on you. However, take time to think through. Take time to sit back, relax, think things through how you are going to get these things done and to be able to achieve success and have more time to relax. Thank you. But before I go, please subscribe to my YouTube